Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to properly install the J-hooks onto the collector frame of the Classic Cyclone Rake. You will need 2 half-inch box wrenches or sockets. First, remove the small green shock cord from the rear of the bag. Then, at the front of the collector, raise the aluminum side tubes and lock them in place by moving the slider bracket down into the locked position. Do this on both sides of the collector bag. At the rear of the collector frame, use the 2 half-inch box wrenches to remove the nut and bolt that attaches the hinge bracket. And the bolt that is right next to it. Next, place a J-hook under the collector frame with the curved end facing toward the front of the collector. Then reinstall both bolts up through the J-hook and collector frame with one of the bolts, also reattaching the hinge bracket. Fasten with the washers and nylon lock nuts provided. That's it. Now you can fold up the bag and install the collector onto the chassis frame.